Milton Hershey vocabulary. 1. Language. Meaning, words we use to talk and write. Sentence, English is my second language. 2. Clear. Meaning, easy to see or understand. Sentence, her instructions were clear and simple. 3. Succeed. Meaning, to do well or reach a goal. Sentence, if you work hard, you will succeed. 4. Determined. Meaning, not giving up, trying hard. Sentence, she was determined to finish her homework. 5. Impressed. Meaning, feeling amazed or happy about something. Sentence, I was impressed by his painting. 6. Eventually. Meaning, after some time, in the end. Sentence, she kept practicing and eventually learned to swim. 7. Imagined. Meaning, thought of something in your mind. Sentence, he imagined flying like a bird.